Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetrainingvideos.com. It is the 8th of April, about 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're looking at the S&P 500 ETF, gap down, run right back up into the 118 mark we had drawn in. Good support at 117.78. Nice to see our levels hitting almost to the penny here pre-market. Gap down on concerns that Greece is going to default on their loan. Not what you want to have happening. Countries doing that. So good size gap down right back to a level that was support from before, this 117.80 area. We left that line in there from yesterday, but we're not definitely testing one of our upper trend lines here, or lower trend lines, but rising. So watch out for this, especially this morning. Next level of support 117.50, and then 117 area. So that's a nice lines on the way back down. On the way up, if you remove the pre and post market data, let's do that real quick. And here's again the 60-minute chart. You can see on the way back up we're going to have the gap fill, and then 118, 118.50, and 119. So again, these half round numbers acting very nicely, even with the pretty good size sell-off past the 100 MA on the 15-minute chart. You know, we had come back up, bounced very, very nicely on the rising 50. On the 60-minute chart, again, talking about the broad markets, this is a great level of support. Once resistance, holding nicely, but now, like I said before, we are down lower below that. So we'll have to see if that now holds as resistance, which it can do sometimes. On the daily chart, not at all surprising that we're getting a stall here. Some really nice moves and some of the stock picks we've made so far, but need to be careful, like I said, trading along into this overhead resistance. Again, definitely a broken record now, but you know, making all the sense in the world to want to be careful about that. So good stuff, everybody. Watch for the market internals to confirm. Notably, the VIX had a pretty good sized run up, confirming very nicely the sell-off we had. I'm not sure why I'm talking like Yoda this morning, but watch out for this. I need to at least see a lower swing high and a breakdown back to this area here. I would say about that wide of an area before I would get frisky about going long. And that makes sense to me because this symmetrical triangle breakout occurred and again confirmed nicely the sell-off in the broad market. So good stuff. Watch for that. If we do get a higher swing low and work our way out of a cup and handle formation, again, just watch for resistance overhead here. It's 17.54. If you're looking to go short, realize that you're doing it in the context of a pretty good move to the upside in the broad markets, and the VIX could have some of the same trouble rising then concomitantly. So good stuff. I hope you have a great trading day. I'll be with you around noon to see how things are shaping up, and it's great working with everybody so far.